Oh my gosh, I accidentally ran over the turtle. Boy. I see a little bit of blood over here. Well, not blood, but his shell. Hopefully he'll recover. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. He was on the driveway. Are you okay? Okay, we got you off the road, buddy. Alright, sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. Alright, let's be careful when we're out there in nature. We have our little critters crossing the road. Hopefully he'll be okay. Sorry. He's about the size of half of a watermelon. Alright. Hopefully you'll make it across. Go hide.